In this video, I am going to create the base, the block base. I can't even read. I'm going to create the block base. And looking at it, it looks like we can use some arrays. I don't know. We're going to give it a shot. So I'm thinking we can. So I'm going to go to new, or patterns, not arrays. Arrays is AutoCAD. Patterns is Inventor, right? Yeah. So anyway, I digress. I'm gonna go to English, Standard, Create. I'm going to start my sketch. I'm gonna start on this flat plane down here. I'm gonna rotate it back to 90. I'm gonna start by creating a 2-point center rectangle right in the middle. And so that bottom diameter or distance, oh, they don't tell us that, do they? They're going to make us add this up. So that's 2, 4, 6. Has a radius of half on this side, so it's 2, 4, 6. It's going to be 7, right? 7 inches. Why do they do us dirty like that? That's 7, tab, 4, tab, enter. All right, there we go. So then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude symmetrically. That is 0.25 for the distance, like so. And then I'm gonna create the filleted corners. So I'm gonna go to fillet. That has a radius of 0.5. I'm going to select each one of these vertical corners here, like so. Hit apply. All right, so here's where I'm going to experiment. I'm going to start my 2D sketch on the top face. That's no surprise. I'm going to create a hole. If I'm going to create a hole, I probably shouldn't have started a 2D sketch, right? Yeah, let me finish my 2D sketch. I'm gonna right click and delete this sketch. What I want to do is I'm going to use the hole. I'm going to, for my whole circle, this is going to be, it's going to go all the way through. The diameter here is going to be, what is that, 0.40? 0.40 for that. I'm going to select a spot on this face here. And then I'm going to select the kind of the corner edge over there, or that, not corner, but the rounded edge. So that that's centered over there. It's concentric with the corner radius. It goes all the way through. I'm going to hit OK. So now I'm going to look at the top of this thing and rotate it. So what I want to do is I'm going to create a rectangular pattern, and I want to say I want to make a pattern of this hole right here. I'm going to pick a direction, so I'm going to select this direction 1. I'm going to select this side, so it's going down. I need that to be 2, but the distance between each one of those is going to be, I got to do some more math, don't I? That's 4. That's going to be 3. So this is going to be 3 inches, like so. And then in direction 2 is going to be this way. And I'm going to flip it around to go the other way, right? So there's going to be a total of 4 kind of columns here. And those are going to have a distance apart of 2, like that. I'm going to hit OK. Boom. So there's that. All right. So then what I can do now is I can create another hole. Since I'm looking at the top of this anyway, I don't got to really move it. So it's going to go all the way through. This one is going to have a diameter of 2.25. 2.25. I'm just going to pick a spot here for our circle or our hole to be. And this one I need to dimension off the side. So off this top, that's going to be 2 inches. And then off the left side here, that's going to be 1.75, like so. And I'm going to finish that. I'm going to hit OK. So I'm going to use the rectangular pattern. Let's see if I can pull this off. So I'm going to click on rectangular pattern. For my feature, I want this big circle right there. I want to go in direction, let's see, direction 1 is going to be, click this top line. And again, I'm going to flip it around to go to the other side. So there's going to be a total of 3 circles here, but I want those to be 1.75 apart, like so. This might work. And then I'm going to hit OK here, because I don't want, there's no direction to, because it's just going to be this one kind of a row going across. I'm going to hit OK, and then boom, there we go. So that was kind of nice and neat, and we did that pretty good. So then I'm going to look at my 3D view here. I'm going to fix my visual styles like usual. I'm going to go to photo booth. Let's make it, it doesn't say it has to be a certain texture or anything. So where am I looking for? Smooth ivory. Let's do that. I'm going to save this. File, save, block base. Block base. All right, there we go. Save it. All right, so that wasn't too bad at all. All right, so next we just have the shaft guide, and then we'll be done with this chapter. All right, so let me save it again just to make sure. Save it. All right, so peace out. Make sure you like and subscribe, and come back to the next lesson. I'll be here waiting. All right, peace out.